A day in the life of a university student, understanding the Internet copyright law. The Internet has a wealth of resources. With a click of a finger, one can copy text, download images, listen to music, and watch all kinds of videos. However, is it really okay to use the Internet resources any way you want? Publicly accessible paragraphs, pictures, music, and videos are all protected by copyright law. Without the creator's consent, unauthorized use could possibly be in violation of copyright law. If one doesn't use material for profit, is it still in violation of copyright law? Many users believe that it is fine to listen to download music just because it's not for commercial use. However, as long as it is not obtained through proper channels, they could be an infringement on copyright. What if it's only used for educational purposes or for a homework assignment? Even if online materials are for non-commercial and educational use, one must still ensure that it is under fair use, as well as take note if the materials have a Creative Commons license. Is one allowed to use materials once crediting the author and the source? Crediting the author is a basic acknowledgement of their moral rights. If crediting the author and the source were the only things one needed to do before copying or reproducing, then there would be many very similar items in the market, violating the author's rights. In addition, even though it's a school assignment, one must also understand the criteria. If one uses others' ideas and assignments, like reflection papers or those with more creativity involved, it is hard to express one's own original thoughts and ideas. In an age where the Internet is flourishing, copyright law is extending its protection to digital works. These rights include the right of reproduction and right of public transmission. Right of reproduction protects a creator's rights to reproduce their work. People who download and reproduce the creator's work may infringe the author's right of reproduction. Right of public transmission is the right of the creator to upload their works for everyone to read, watch, or listen to. Downloading a large number of others' works on the Internet, exceeding the reasonable scope, may infringe the right of reproduction, while subsequently uploading onto the Internet for others to watch is a violation of right of public transmission. In conclusion, understanding copyright is very important for users of the Internet, as we are always in contact with others' works and live in a society with an abundance of information. We must establish the correct concept of Internet copyright, becoming a rational and law-abiding citizen.